Ooh, cool.
Get him, Boa! You madman! You'll pay for what you've done. Save it now.
I'll take him to Lake Sport headquarters. You deal with these.
Follow me, Justice League B team. Watch my back while I try to break into the security vent. We need to get into Let's Go and free the team. Blast those Flex Box, reserve team.
Good work. Those things were trying to take control of the battlefield. Let's get moving. I'm sure they already know we're here. I warned you about joining forces with the Justice League. You'll now face the full force of my plasma blast. Well,
Over here, guys! Help us free the league!
Let's box. Target and destroy the intruders. It's over.
Cover us, reserve team!
Blast those Flex Box.
Don't let them get away! Let's move!
Go ahead, guys. I've got it. The helicopter.
Coming up! I got you, man. Give me that check!
Oh.
I got you now! Thank you for saving the city of Metropolis. We'd like to make you all honorary members of the Justice League.
Okay, gang. Let's check out how you scored on your mission.
Great job! Nice job! Nice shooting, team.
Good.
You should be very proud. Now let's see who took the top spot. Booyah!
How about we celebrate with some laughing gas?
Please put your blasters away.
Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!